Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Trust Wallet extension on Chrome. You can use Trust Wallet to manage your crypto wallet and connect with the Web3 websites easily. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now you will search for Trust Wallet and search. Here you will see the first one is Trust Wallet. You can click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, you can pin the extension. Here you will see it will be downloading. Here you will see. Now click on the puzzle icon and mark it as pin. Now click on the extension icon. Here you will see it will be opened. If you don't have a wallet, then click on create new wallet. Then you can select an option like Windows Hello or password. Then click on create a recovery pin. Then confirm. If you already have a wallet, you can just click on here. You will enter the pin of your Windows, then click on OK. Here you will see set up your Windows Hello enable. It will be redirecting. Brilliant, your wallet is ready. Now start exploring. Now you can check your wallet balance. Pin. Now simply click on the extension icon. Here you will see your Trust Wallet. There you can check your wallet balance. You can send and receive crypto using like send, swap, add funds, sell or earn. You can also connect your wallet to supported websites, filter networks, receive from another wallet, search in the settings. Also from there you can add new wallet or manage wallets. And that's it. Now you know how to use Trust Wallet extension on Chrome. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.